Welcome to this walk around video of the Mercedes C250d Premium Plus. So this car is a one owner car from new and comes with a full Mercedes main dealer service history. So this car comes with the AMG night package with your gloss black details on the front and on the sides. This car is also finished in the Designo Diamond White metallic, which is a £900 option. Moving down to the wheels. These wheels are the 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels with the gloss black finish. If we move round to the back of the car, you've got the rear lip spoiler along with the gloss black diffuser from the night package. This car also has the rear privacy glass, which is a further option. Moving into the back of the car, so the trim throughout this car is the black ashwood interior trim. As you can see, the car comes as standard with the Burmester surround sound. This is full black leather throughout the car. So you can see there's plenty of legroom for rear passengers. And of course the sliding panoramic sunroof that comes with the Premium Plus package. As we move into the front of the car, the trim continues throughout. As you can see, you've got your Burmester sound in the front as well. You also get the memory package with the Premium Plus, and they're for both front seats. You've got the electric folding exterior mirrors. Additionally, you also have the keyless entry. As you can see, with it being a one owner car, this car is immaculate inside and out. This car also has the upgraded LED intelligent light system with the adaptive high beam switch. So this is the car with the sunroof open. Arguably the best option with the Premium Plus package. You've also got the leather steering wheel with the paddle shifts. The cruise control functions just behind the steering wheel with a full electrically adjustable steering column. As you can see, the passenger seat also gets the memory function and the heated seat. If we move through, so you get the Comand satellite navigation. This car also comes with the rear camera as well. So this is our C250. Really lovely car. For any more information on this car, please do contact us on 01423 648 648. Thank you.